Hello everyone, and welcome to Sunup. I'm Lyndall Stout. This week our hearts go out to the people of western Oklahoma, where devastating wildfires have burned hundreds of thousands of acres. Hardest hit are Dewey, Harper, Woodward, Roger Mills, Woods, Harper, and Custer counties. Governor Mary Fallin included these counties when she declared a state of emergency for the majority of Oklahoma last week. The loss is widespread and catastrophic. The immediate need on the agriculture front is hay and water for livestock, along with other supplies like feed, cattle cake, milk replacer, and fencing. OSU Cooperative Extension is helping with that effort. If you can help donate, go to sunup.okstate.edu. Of course, we'll have more on the fire as well as relief and recovery efforts in the weeks ahead.